Breaking news, coming in now. We've received reports that the big bad wolf is huffing, puffing, and blowing houses in all over the county.
Damage is expected to be in the millions.
Little pigs
got blown away.
Houses made of anything weaker than brick are at high levels of risk for the wolf.
Local surveillance has captured footage of the wolf. Please contact the authorities if you see this wolf.
Pork and beans sounds good tonight.
I'm Zachary Drenning. I'm the Finance Director of Operations for Brickworks North America.
My name's Andrew Wassel. So I'm the maintenance manager here at the Shoemakersville Glengarry plant.
My name is Robbie Slaughter. I am an artist for Glengarry Brick.
Bricks are going to be around forever, so.
But Glengarry is more than just bricks because we provide products that last a lifetime.
100-year housing investment, so it's been here forever. It's going to stay, and it's been a great place to work. So
Your bricks are really cool. Who designs your bricks?
I used to do this. So whatever I can draw, I figured I could put it on a brick. And that's exactly what's going on.
We have quarries that we either own or we purchase the material from them. And we pay mining companies to pull that material out of the ground, and it gets shipped in on trucks. Where we have quarries right next to our plants, we use our own equipment to bring the clay over, and we stockpile it at a location where we can deliver it right into the manufacturing process.
Awesome. What kind of bricks can you make?
We also have some curved versions, and with our great shapes department, we can pretty much make any shape you want out of a brick.
Whatever you can think of, I can actually draw.
Come on, little piggy, let me on in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Attempting to blow down Glengarry bricks house can result in soreness, business, lightheadedness, nausea, exhaustion, humiliation, futility.